Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening and how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
I'm fine, thanks.
Very happy I can say hello to everyone on this occasion, even though in virtual. COVID-19 is not yet over yet how to stay productive and creative in the middle of a pandemic. Although there is now a new normal policy, everyone is still required to keep their distance and follow a number of health. The COVID-19 pandemic is certainly a new challenge for everyone. A lot of things have to be adapted to adjust to the situation. Undeniable, this pandemic has affected the activities of many people, both workers, traders, and even students. And some get positive influence or vice versa. One of the obstacles that often fails is finding ways to stay productive and creative in pandemic. And in this discussion, was made to provide to test of English for engineering course with the lecturer is Misilda. And previously, permission to introduce first. Let me introduce myself. My name is Devi Nur Amalia, who served as moderator and at this discussion. And I will guide the course of this discussion. And I'm not alone. I'm accompanied by Teddy Mulyadi as assistant moderator, who will record the result of the discussion this time. Hello, Teddy Mulyadi. Good evening.
Good evening.
And then as for the members of my are Aji Sukma Muhammad. Hello, Sukma Muhammad.
Halo Devia.
Halo Malia Rahma.
Halo Devia.
And halo Bintang Bayu Anggoro.
Hello Devia.
And the next is Muhammad Rizky. Halo Muhammad Rizky.
Hello Devia.
And then lastly there is Yosef Martis. Hello Yosef Martis.
Halo Devia.
Okay. As for the topic that we will discuss is what students should do productive in the pandemic. And the next, I will read the rules in our discussion at night today. And of the discussion, this time there is no right or wrong answer, only a different point of view. When one person speaks at a time, you do not have to agree with others, but you must listen respectfully when others share their views. Okay. To start the discussion run this time, first I want to start for my question to Rizky. Well, Rizky, good night. How are you today?
Well, good night, Devia. Good news, Alhamdulillah.
Yes. As I said, the opening earlier, how do you think the situation currently that allows students to always stay at home? And what students should do so that they remain productive even if only stay at home?
Good permission to answer. The current situation is already so real with the addition of this case of COVID-19 that requires the community, especially students like us, to stay in each other's homes to minimize the activities related to the outside world and increase activities at home to keep productive, such as reading books, but academic and non-academic books, watching movies, and other positive activities that can make students feel comfortable and make them always stay home.
Okay, well, thank you. Productive even though. And then watching movie and activities and activities. How are the start? About the opinion that has been conveyed by Risky was whether you agree or maybe there is other differing opinions on what student do stay productive even at home.
Okay, I want to thank Devia. I strongly agree with Risky opinion that people are not allowed to leave the house if doesn't matter at all, and I also agree when we stay in our home. There should be positive activities such as, for exam- ex- example, reading a book or watching TV. It can make our insights and knowledge grow. Okay, thank you for members, me, dates, and opportunity that just the opinion of me.
Okay, it's turned out almost the same opinion of the Bintang about the opinion that delivered by Risky. But I want to ask back, well, it the same times watching television can make insight and knowledge is growing. What's television that is like what an insight and knowledge to develop? Well, today a lot of television shows that are not very suitable for students such as students.
Not all negative TV show. There are also positives we take from the positive side. His TV shows such as news and animated films that can add insight can make ourselves into creative people.
Well, so that could be a reference that such a news even that can add insight. Then how to risky? Do you want to respond?
Yeah, actually, back again to the student itself. Student must be smart in choose which television spectacles are useful. Many television show that can be add insight, such as news, even discussion programs, such as Najwa's Ace, or television show that are religious, can also add insight to students in religious matters.
Permission to respond to Devia.
Okay, well, please, Cartery, what do you want to say, Amalia?
Well, thank you, Devia. Permission argues it's not for the moment we live in the era and all that information is on the smartphone because on television it is mostly that it was less educational. If I think personally, so to make it easier, why not just smartphone? And now the television show is on smartphone, for example, on YouTube or daily news on Google. It is true that spoken by a positive star, but look at the behavior of the next generation of children. Most see events about romance. So my opinion is better using smartphones or the internet compared to television.
Excuse me, Devia. I'm allowed to enter to respond.
Okay, yes, please, Yosef. Which part do you want to respond to?
Okay, which I would like to respond to is the opinion issued by Amalia. Sorry, in advance to clearly permission to support. Maybe what Risky mind about the other media, we are not only fixated on smartphone, and also when watching television, we can learn to discuss with family about the new of the outside world that is happening. Maybe if watching television, we can have discussion with others. Okay, Devia, thank you.
Sorry, then why not just discuss with the family with use YouTube, for example, or daily news on the internet because honestly, the news is more widely read on smartphones, and it is highly unlikely that the students do not have a smartphone or internet.
Sorry, Mal. We also have to look at tool when we already hold a smartphone. There is no interaction with other, but we only focus in playing smartphone discussion. But when we watch television with family, there is interaction, which causes us to unconsciously discuss about the television show.
Excuse me, Devia.
Yes. Well, please, Reza, what do you want to respond?
Well, thank you, Devia. And actually, I agree with yourself because when we are already playing the smartphone, as if we will forget everything, because today smartphone have become the benchmark for our life.
Devia, entry permit.
Okay, well, please, Aji. Before, thank you for your set, Bintang, Reza, for your opinion. But please, Aji, in advance to convey his opinion.
Okay, Devia. What is true, what Rizky and Amal said. Here, Rizky refers that we are have to be good at sorting out child content even. And if from most of the child content even is lacking appropriate to be seen by student. This smartphone is one of the ones that can be seen by student. We make a reference as substitutes for learning facilities, and for Reza, we actually return to edge of use how to deal with it. So what must be changed is your character by dividing the time while working, learn, and play with the presence of a smartphone.
Okay. Yes, thank you for all for the response from the participant. I think for the discussion this time, and we have come to the conclusion of this discussion of this time with the topic what students should do to stay productively in pandemic era. And the conclusion on in this discussion will be delivered by Teddy. My Teddy, and please read the conclusion of the discussion this time.
Well, thank you, Devia. On this occasion is an assistant moderator in charge of recording the result of the minutes of this discussion activity about what should be done by students in order to remain productive in this pandemic era. When to convey the result of conclusion obtained from the result of the opinions of the participant. And the conclusion is the situation of COVID-19 is so real and cannot be underestimated by the community. Both old and young and some participants agree with that students are better at home by doing positive activities to keep him productive. Can be with reading books, watching television, that wake positively. But some of the participants who do not agree with watching television because not all program aired by television has a good wake for students, both lower and high level students. And it would be better if with pandemic circumstance like this, the student could have done positive activities with the family so that there is a beneficial interaction for feeling between families. But it all becomes the choice of each between choosing the positive or negative. It returns to the personal self. Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you for the attention of the participant who have given their opinion and give free time to the discussion this time. All people who success in this world are people who believe in their strength and are able to use their free time as best as possible. So I, Devin Ramalia, and my colleagues Teddy Mulyadi, let us close the discussion this time. So sorry if there are shortcomings and mistakes in this discussion. We end. Good night and see you. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.